welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer your Facebook account to another account or your another device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to transfer your Facebook account to a new phone, you need to simply download and install the Facebook app on the new device. So once you've downloaded the Facebook app on a new device, you will have to start fresh by tapping on the app itself. So once you open the app, you will find an option to log in or to simply sign up. So as you're transferring your account, like you are opening your previous account, you need to simply tap on the login option. So once you tap on login, you need to now simply enter the data that you have on your prior account. So once you log in all the data, like you have to input all the data of the account you are trying to log in into. And once this is done, you will need to now verify yourself by entering a CAPTCHA or something like that. And after you have done this, you will be able to transfer your Facebook account to another phone. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.